Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of spices with a focus on one of the essential ingredients in many cuisines around the globe: bay leaves. Introducing the Rani bay leaf whole spice, hand-selected for premium quality. This product boasts being the best bulk bay leaves available in the market, and we're here to find out why. But before we delve into the details, let's talk about why bay leaves are such a staple in kitchens worldwide. These aromatic leaves add depth and complexity to a wide range of dishes, from hearty stews to fragrant rice pilafs. Now, what sets the Rani bay leaf apart from the rest? First off, these leaves are hand-selected for their size and quality, ensuring that each jar contains only the finest specimens. Not only are they extra large, but they're also sourced from India, known for its rich culinary heritage. So you can trust that you're getting an authentic ingredient that's been used for generations. And let's talk about the credentials. These bay leaves are organic, non-GMO, kosher, and vegan, making them suitable for a wide range of dietary preferences and requirements. Plus, they come in a convenient pet jar that keeps them fresh for longer, ensuring that you always have the perfect bay leaf on hand when you need it. So, if you're looking for the best bulk bay leaves for your kitchen, look no further than the Rani bay leaf whole spice. With its unbeatable quality, freshness, and versatility, it's sure to become a staple in your pantry. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!